Hi, on the special occasion of 2026, I'm going to make a video on how you can be a better designer. If you're continuing as a designer or if you are a new designer, what steps you can follow, what resources you can follow to become better. So here I will list down number of YouTube channels, like 1 to YouTube channels or resources that you can refer to. Second, I will mention number of sites that you can refer to, like which will help or boost your design acumen. And third, I'm going to list down plugins or AI tools which will help you out to boost your productivity. And the fourth point is the number of books, like 2-3 books only, that you can refer to if you like reading or something, that you must follow that. And the last point is I will give my perspective on AI, like how AI will change the market, what I think so, and how it's working. So let's start. First, we're going to cover up like which are the YouTube channels that you can refer to. The first one is Ansh Mehra. The name changed to the Cutting Edge School that you can refer to. Don't watch every video. You can refer to some of the playlists that he has made earlier on Figma, on UI UX designing. So here there is number of playlists that he made, but you will refer only 1 or 2 of them. He made a website, learnuiux.in. Every link I will mention in my description also. Where he has posted number of videos. He referred number of videos of his YouTube channel as a sequence, like how to go. So you can refer to this instead of going every video from here or anywhere. You can simply refer to this, and it's a great way to start as a designer. Second resource will be the second YouTuber I will mention is Saptarishi. He has worked in Swiggy. He's the head of design in Swiggy. He made good videos on like UI UX, give a good perspective on designing, like what's going on, what's the trends found. So for that thing, you can refer to his videos. So it's a playlist where the Figma has its own official channel where they upload every field in this. They have covered from shape to tokens. They have covered everything, interactive components, even variants even. So you can learn from scratch. If you're starting as a designer, you can refer to this playlist. I'll post a link in description. And the second one is Figma Office Hours. So you can also refer to this playlist of Figma Office Hours. It's a discussion regarding what design system is, theory part and everything that you can refer to. And hacks that Figma offers, shortcuts that Figma offers, that how you can boost your productivity. It's a great channel, great playlist to have. Sites that I will refer to is, the first of all is 100-day UI challenge. You must follow that. This site is dailyui.org that you can subscribe. You get on your mail each day the challenge, and when you complete the challenge you can post it on LinkedIn or everything. And literally if you post every challenge on LinkedIn by giving simple and clear explanation of what you did, what you think about, what's the process is behind, what's the understanding behind this design, you can get better job opportunities also. The second is material design, not understanding how to make components, how to design different variants of that component, and this site will be a great for you. Like here they have listed out all the components, and they are also giving open files for this component. You can also copy paste these components to your file, but you first must understand how these are working. So the third is UI checklist. So like when you design a component from scratch, what number of variants you are using, that can be sometimes challenging, right? So for that you can use this UI checklist kind of section, like you are designing a button. So what number of variants you must use for button, you can use these. So here they have listed out like whether you are following these, you're clicking all this or not, you're checking out. So when you design a component, you must refer to this site to understand whether you are following the right UX guideline or not, like whether I'm following this point or not, whether I'm following this point or not. Button, so if you are following every state or not, hover, focus, disabled, and what is focused. There is another site called WCAG. WCAG is a very good site which is for web accessibility. Like there are multiple number of users are using your product, digital product. They can be a normal person, or they can be have any issue with their eyesight or hearing power. So we are designing for all users so that they can easily understand our product, easily use product. For that, we must know about WCAG guideline. They have figured out all the pointers. If you follow in your product, it will be very much easy for users to use that product. So the next site is growth.design. Here you can refer to case studies that you can get a great understanding about real products. They make a case study upon real products like Google, Facebook, and what issue they faced and what's the solution for that case study. You can just click upon that and the case study will open up. It is very cleanly and graphically explained everything. So I think it's a great tool to have. And the next thing that I want to talk about is plugin. A plugin like HTML2 design is a great tool. Like if you are designing for like it's HTML2 design that you can download or from here, HTML2 design. You can just add to Chrome from here, from Google Store, Chrome Store. You can just add to your store. You can simply scan out any site which is functional. Like I can scan any site and it give me an editable file for Figma for that particular website. So instead of working from scratch, I have a basic layout. So I can make any site in 1 to 2 days. And AI tool, like if you have made any design, like if you have made a grocery screen or something. So there are some AI tools like ChatGPT. You can simply give an image to ChatGPT and that ChatGPT will give you pointers upon that, whether it is working right or not. You can simply refer to this edge also. So from here also you can upload the image of your design and can ask for like whether I'm going good or not. It's a great tool for brainstorming. Stitch, which is by Google. If you like need grocery app and you want to make a basic wireframe, basic idea, or like for web, you can give your description clearly, like I need this much of element, like this kind of description you can give or something as per your project. It is better than any other software I have seen. They also provide editable file for Figma also. So now the results are produced. It takes some time to produce the results. It produces one single screen. To make multiple screens, you can go here and generate variations also. Like in combination of 3 screens, they give 3 different results for the same homepage, how it can be look. From here you can edit it up. You can generate variations, regenerate, predictive heat map. Heat map means where user clicks more, and I can also here for review in mobile, tablet, desktop view. Simple. And these mainly are for UI. For UX, like usability testing, you can also refer to a tool called Miro. Miro is a good tool for usability test. Like we fill a form, so simply you can share that particular link to any of your users. Here you can upload your prototypes. The user will use, and it will tell you simply whether user is able to click upon, means the flow is clear to user or not. It will give you that analytics, that data. And then comes his books that you can refer to. The books you can refer to are like Steal Like an Artist, which is by Austin Kleon. You can refer to this book. And the second is The Design of Everyday Things, if you like reading, by Don Norman. If you like reading, then you must read these 2 books. So most important thing is how AI is changing this career option. As my perspective is, if even you learn AI, like people tell AI will not take your jobs. The person who knows AI will take your job. But that's not true. A person who knows AI will take my job, but the competition level will increase too much. Everyone will start learning those AI tools and everyone becomes more productive. That means more productive means less demand of that thing. Means he can produce 10x amount of services. Like if 100 softwares are in demand, now we can produce 1000 softwares, but we don't need that much of softwares. That means they will cut down the jobs. Even if you know AI, they will remove you. That means just by learning AI tools, you can be ahead of those people who don't know, but there is too much of competition. So what we follow? As a UI UX designer, the most impact has to be on UI designers, because visual part is becoming easy and easier to detect whether it's going right or not. Because with the help of GPT, with the help of other AI tools, people can easily generate ideas. So my view is those skills which can be easily judged by any person who doesn't belong to that field even is going to be finished or almost kind of finished in near future. Visual jobs are something kind of that which can be easily judged by people whether it's going right or not. But the planning part of that visual job, for example, advertising, a product is advertised. Visual part, people can judge. But the planning behind that, visuals, cannot be taken easily. So UX has value, but the UI value will get reduced with time. But we can't rely just upon UX skills. Most of the service-based companies even don't provide UX services. The big companies are behind UX. And UX also is becoming very much auto-driven. Like you have seen material design and everything is documented clearly. So it's becoming a shift from design to technical things, which normal people, those who don't belong to that field, can't judge easily. Like I gave an example, if there is a backend developer, whether data is processing easily or not, whether database is right or not, whether app is working fine or not, means whatever backend decisions are, a normal person cannot judge whether it's going fine or not. They just know okay, it's giving an error or not. But even if it's not giving an error, there can be an error in backend. So those kind of skills will remain in demand, will not get so much impacted with the AI in near future. So we need to collab those skills with our design skills, because otherwise the skills which can be easily judged by anyone is taken over near future, I think so. But the skills which can't be judged by a normal person who don't belong to that field will remain difficult to taken by AI. So that's my take. So happy new year, and let's meet in next year.